wrote this book, King of Real Estate. I wrote this, guys, for you out there. I wrote this for you if you're learning, you want to learn how to master real estate, you want to learn how to flip properties, become an investor. You know, that's what this book's about. So you can actually get a free copy of this book, and you can subscribe to my Real Estate University. And it's not a sales thing, it's really to change your life. You know my story, 15 years ago, I was poor, broken, homeless, 400 pounds overweight, obese, had a heart attack, and now you see here I'm in a Lamborghini, and it's not a marketing thing or a sales thing. It's, hey, you guys can do this too. If I can do this, you can do it too. So I'm going to show you through Real Estate University, through my book, how you can actually open up your own bank, how you can become a top producer, how you can close deals all over the country, whether it's commercial, investment, business loans. I want you guys to check out Real Estate University because I think it's really, really important. So it'll change your life. Real estate is one of the industries where you can actually make millions of dollars, and you don't have to have a lot of management like running a business. The real estate sells itself. Whether you do long-term holds or you do flips, there's a lot of opportunity in it. And so my course, Real Estate University, is an online platform with over 1,000 hours of awesome content to teach you how to become a top producer with real estate and make a lot of money, and help people. That's really the biggest thing, is you're helping people to add value. It's not just about having fancy cars and fancy things. It's about helping other people involved and bringing them along for the journey too. So helping my team so they can have a car like this. I want to give this car to one of my team members. It's not like for me. I want to use it to show you, to impress upon you what's possible, what's out there. But I gladly give this to someone on my team that deserves it. So that's really what it's about, is deserving it. So that's a key thing. But I want you guys to get a free copy of this book. You can download it. We can also ship it to you. You just got to pay for the shipping. I'll sign a copy of it. But also check out realestateuniversityonline.com. I built that for you guys. It's over 15 years of my experience teaching you how to become a top producer with real estate. And we have an awesome platform. If you want me to mentor you, I can also coach you. Come to my office, I can coach you too. Or if you're a broker, you have a whole team, I can mentor you as well. Is you have to believe, you have to have faith in yourself and what you're doing, to have the right mentor. Someone's going to teach you and coach you how to become successful, how to pick out the right contractors and do the property, how to pick out the right property to make sure you're not getting screwed, because that's a huge thing. A lot of people, they buy real estate and they get screwed because they overpay, they don't find the right contractor. You have to be careful with all of these things. So I want you guys to have your own Lamborghini one day, and for you to be successful and help other people too.